Times change. Now it's time for you to change. I want you to become a great artist, and I'm here to support you. And for this reason, I create my online package with a lot of passion and a little talent, and I would like to share with great love to all of you who wants to improve your knowledge. But before, I will present you my philosophy about how semi-permanent makeup should enhance your natural beauty without changing your features, and how to create very fine and thin hair strokes, and how to achieve the perfect powder brows effect. You may ask yourself, how long does the masterclass takes? And it is enough to learn an advanced technique. I'm going to teach you the most natural way to create powder brows and HD uplift hair stroke very easy in my online package that you can start to pre-order right now if you are a beginner or advanced as well. You don't need too many things. Inside of each package is a memory stick with theory and videos about drawing, latex work and live model. Also, you have a practice book with technical explanations, some material for your homework, and your certificate of participation. After that, I will give you my support for course-based explanations in private live videos. Semi-permanent makeup should not be a tattoo, should not change your client face. You only need to harmonize your client natural beauty, and this is what you're about to learn. Also, if you book the VIP one-to-one masterclass, you will get discount the amount of money that you already paid for your online package. An experience of more than 15 years in beauty industry, almost 10 years in permanent makeup world, over than 15,000 clients in this time, many certification obtained in my country and abroad. I am Catalina Popescu, and this is my online masterclass.